I'm Gwilym Pugh, and I've come to explore some of the invisible heroes of our green planet. I've come to meet Charlie Young to find out how a hidden gem on the coastlines of the UK might hold a possible solution to the climate crisis. It looks pretty ordinary out here. It's a beautiful coastline, but what are we looking for?
So just a couple of meters offshore, we have some of the best preserved seagrass beds here in the UK. And these are amazing species, so they're the only flowering plant that lives underwater. They're salt tolerant and they create these dense meadows which are highly biodiverse and are just wonderful environments to explore.
Much like coral reefs, seagrass beds create a nursery habitat for an array of species. The long leaves slow the flow of water, which creates an environment whereby suspended organic matter drops to the seafloor where it's buried and fixed by the root system. It's one of the most efficient carbon sinks on the planet and can even help reduce coastal erosion. It's not all positive news. Due to coastal development and poor water quality, we're losing roughly 7% of our seagrass meadows per year, causing a devastating domino effect on all of the life it supports, and in turn, human life. Project Seagrass are a marine conservation charity dedicated to protecting our seagrass meadows globally. They've pioneered an inland nursery where they're testing and researching new planting strategies to help restore this incredibly valuable habitat.
So this is the Project Seagrass nursery. It's kind of like a pilot trial where we can get all the pieces of the puzzle that we need in order to grow seagrass at a larger scale. And the reason we want to do that is to have those seeds that can go into our restoration project. At the moment, we collect those seeds from Dodo Meadows. But having a seagrass nursery like this, especially at larger scale, means we can have somewhere we can cultivate seagrass and use those seeds to plant back out into the wild.
In my experience, community engagement is integral to any restoration or conservation program. How do you engage the wider public?
Right now, the biggest way that people can get involved is Seagrass Spotter, which is an app that you can get that when you're out on your summer holiday or a walk with the dog or anything like that and you're on the coast and you see seagrass, you can actually take a photo of that seagrass. It'll help you go through the identifying phases, not just in the UK as well, so you can do that globally.
Seagrass is a true hero of the natural world. It's not only a carbon sink, but a habitat for an array of life and protects our shorelines. It deserves our attention and our protection.